Story Kids Rise.
The Magical Garden Party short story at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a tiny village, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily loved flowers more than anything in the world. One day, while playing in her backyard, she discovered a hidden door behind a bush. Curiosity twinkling in her eyes, she opened the door and found herself in the most magical garden she had ever seen. The flowers in this garden weren't ordinary, they could talk, dance, and even sing. Lily joined the enchanting garden party where the tulips twirled, the daisies danced, and the sunflowers sang the sweetest melodies. As the moonlight sprinkled its magic, the flowers whispered stories of faraway lands and adventures. Lily became friends with the magical flowers and visited the garden every day, bringing joy to the flowers and herself. And so, the little girl and the enchanted garden lived happily ever after, sharing laughter and stories under the twinkling stars. The Magical Garden Party short story at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.